Hey guys, I have another exciting new product to introduce from ScienceofSpeed, which is ScienceofSpeed's Trunk Trim Panel Retainer Kit. So a lot of times we see the NSXs come in and we will find the factory plastic retainers just hanging out in the trunk. The reason is these retainers are really good as a one-time use only kind of retainer, and they're pretty expensive. Looks like actually we have another one or two here that, a little bit of vibration, it's just gonna pop right off. So the solution is to replace the plastic retainers with a billet aluminum retainer. Now we've seen a couple other options on the market where they have a little socket to take either a Torx bit or an Allen bit and a tool that allows you to torque the fastener on. The problem is this M6 threaded stud is quite fragile. We're worried that if you use a tool to attach the retainer to that stud, you're gonna break the stud out, and they are a real pain to replace. So our solution is really straightforward, and that is to have a billet aluminum retainer, but with a knurled outer diameter. So installation is very easy, requires no tools. You can do it with your hand. We've designed the retainer to have the correct depth, so once the retainer bottoms out, you've put enough preload on that plastic to keep it in place. Really straightforward, great solution, available now at ScienceofSpeed.com.